Hello, welcome to the next thrilling instalment of I've Got Too Many Locks. JJ-80 challenge lock, just a unbranded rim. We're going in with a pry bar with a little bit of tape around the edge to ensure a good snug fit, because there's a lot of counter rotation, a lot of backing off, and I find it helps massively if you do that. I'm quite famous for liking tape anyway. Just going in with a standard hook, feeling for the high pin, setting it, moving on. It whizzes backwards and forwards as you're setting the pins, this one, so obviously you don't want your tensioner to fall out. That would never do. This angle is not too hot, like. Let's try that. Maybe a bit better for you all. A bit better for me maybe as well. That'd be nice. Awful trying to work around a camera. As usual with this sort of lock, once you get a pin set, you hear loads of little clicks and loads of others jump out. So it does sort of lead you round the houses quite a bit. And there we go. Excuse me. Blimey, that was pretty quick. I've spent ages with this one. Sometimes it takes 10 minutes, sometimes it takes 2 or 3 minutes. Definitely getting faster with it, but we'll have a look at the pins and I'll see you next time. It went a bit better than the last video, I feel. Cheers.